Welcome to Evolved Floors, your trusted partner in flooring. Today, we're exploring the world of vinyl flooring, a versatile and popular choice for many homeowners. When it comes to finding the ideal flooring for your home, affordability and durability often rank highly. Vinyl flooring offers both of these and many more, making it a favorite in the Australian market due to its numerous advantages. Its water-resistant property ensures it withstands any liquid spillage, making it perfect for kitchens and bathrooms. With a resistive wear layer, vinyl planks are protected from stains and spills, making cleaning a breeze. Vinyl planks offer a comfortable surface, allowing you to stand for hours without fatigue. Made from tough materials, vinyl planks are built to last, enduring wear and tear over time. Vinyl is an affordable option, offering a variety of designs without breaking the bank. With minimal upkeep required, vinyl flooring is perfect for busy lifestyles. Vinyl planks are simple to install, often allowing for a DIY approach. With a wide range of styles, vinyl planks offer both flair and practicality. While vinyl plank flooring has many advantages, it's important to be aware of a few considerations. Over time, vinyl may experience discoloration, especially in areas exposed to sunlight. A smooth subfloor is essential for installation, as imperfections can affect the final look. At Evolved Floors, we offer a wide range of vinyl flooring options to suit your style and budget. Visit our showroom in Molendinar to explore our collections and experience our exceptional customer service. Evolved Floors, changing spaces one floor at a time.